Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today's tutorial is all about creating a dark fantasy warrior with a rugged appearance, detailed armor, and a mysterious expression. This drawing is great for practicing facial structure, clothing folds, and character design. We'll begin with the basic head shape. Start by lightly sketching a simple outline and adding guidelines for the eyes, nose, and mouth. These construction lines will help keep the face symmetrical and make it easier to position every feature correctly. Next, we'll draw the eyes. Since this character has a serious personality, use slightly narrowed eyes and thick eyebrows to create a determined expression. If you're adding color, bright green eyes can provide a striking contrast against the darker outfit. Now let's move to the nose, mouth, and jawline. Add a few subtle scars and beard details to give the character a weathered appearance. Small details like these help tell a story without making the drawing overly complicated. Once the face is complete, sketch the hair using short, sharp strokes to create a slightly messy look. Then add the ears and blend everything together with clean outlines. The next step is drawing the clothing and armor. Begin with the high collar around the neck, then sketch the shoulder armor and the belt crossing the chest. Keep the shapes simple first, then refine them with additional lines and texture. With the outline finished, it's time to ink the drawing. Use smooth, confident strokes to create bold outlines that define the character. Varying the line thickness can help separate different parts of the design and make the illustration more dynamic. Now we can start coloring. Use shades of gray for the armor and clothing, darker tones for the hair, and soft skin tones for the face. Add deeper shadows beneath the collar, under the chin, and around the armor to create depth and dimension. Don't forget the small highlights on the armor. These subtle reflections make metallic surfaces appear more realistic and give the artwork a polished finish. As you work, remember that character design is about more than just accuracy. Think about the personality you're trying to convey through the pose, expression, and costume. Even simple changes in the eyes or mouth can dramatically affect the mood of the drawing. If your version looks different, that's completely normal. Every artist develops their own style over time. The key is to keep practicing and learning from every sketch. I hope you enjoyed this fantasy character drawing tutorial. If you found it helpful, please support Hobbyist Artist by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with fellow artists. Leave a comment below with the next fantasy, anime, gaming, or superhero character you'd like to see me draw. Your suggestions inspire future tutorials. Thanks for watching, keep creating amazing art, and I'll see you in the next drawing video.